Okay, so big day today. The rims are going bye-bye. So we're doing some TSportline 20-inch matte black TSTs. They'll actually match and look exactly like these, but these are 19-inch. We're doing 20-inch on the red car, and then actually all this car is going to be changing here in the next coming week.
1 hour later.
Just got back with it. There's the 20-inch. Got the Extreme Contact DWS 06 Sport Plus Technology Continentals. They look really sweet. We still need to do the center cap and the lug nut covers, but that's what it'll look like. And then need to figure out how to do the TPMS for a 20-inch tire reset, because currently says 19 and 21, so we'll have to figure that out. But we got to go pick up Scott from the airport, so we figured we would take the car and show him his new wheels.
The next day.
So we still need to get the center cap, and these lug nuts actually need to come off for the black ones, but I don't have the little tool and can't find it, so I need to order another one of those. But it'll have to wait for a few. But there it is with the black 20s versus my 19s. You can get an idea. Okay, but the red Tesla back there is actually going away today to have some things done to it, be wrapped. No letting out that secret yet. Definitely comment down below what you think we're gonna wrap it, because that's always interesting to see what people think. But it is going away for about a week, and then it will come back and I'll do an update video then. So the TSportline rims that are on there look absolutely fabulous on that red car. And if you are looking for anything TSportline, feel free to use the referral code down in the description below. You'll actually get $100 off any purchase of $500 or more. So it's a great perk, especially if you're looking to buy anything Tesla related, like rims, a spoiler, carbon fiber seat backs, yada yada yada, the list goes on. They have all kinds of cool stuff, so definitely go check them out. And if you are looking to buy a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking to buy a newer inventory car, feel free to use our referral code down in the description below or at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, but that program does end January 31st. So if you are going to be ordering a car, I advise you to do it quickly. No pressure, but if you want free supercharging, that is out there. And if you do use our code, definitely send me an email through the website so that I can have your contact information, so that when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can either have you guys come out and have that experience with us and get some test rides and test drives, or we can try to meet up with you on our road trip. But yeah, that's it real quick. Just a quick update video. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.